If you're frustrated by seeing istart.websearches.com hijack your browser, whether it's Chrome, Internet Explorer, or Firefox, today's tutorial is your complete roadmap to getting rid of this persistent browser intruder. By the end of this video, you'll know how to remove web searches from your computer and your browser, and you'll pick up a few tips for staying protected in the future. Let's dive right in and take back control. First, we need to remove any suspicious programs that may have come bundled with this hijacker. If you're on Windows, start by right-clicking the Start menu and selecting either Apps and Features, or for older versions, head to the Control panel and look for Uninstall a Program. Here, you'll see a list of everything installed on your computer. Take your time as you scroll. Look closely for anything you don't recognize, especially items installed recently or ones named Web Searches or Quick Start. These can hide among legitimate-looking programs, so don't rush. If you find something questionable, select it and click Uninstall. If you're using a Mac, open Finder, and then the Applications folder. Suspicious apps can lurk here too. Just drag anything odd straight to the trash. To finish the job, right-click the trash and hit Empty Trash. This step helps cut off the hijacker at its source, making sure it's no longer running on your system. Next up, let's clean up your Chrome browser. Extensions are a common way for unwanted software to sneak in. Open Chrome and head to Chrome Extensions. Review each extension carefully. If you spot something you don't recognize or remember installing, especially around the time you notice the hijack, click Remove. Think of this like pruning a plant. You only want what's healthy. We also need to check Chrome's startup settings because hijackers love to set themselves as your homepage. Go to Chrome/settings and look for the On Startup section. If istart.websearches.com or any suspicious URL is there, click the 3 vertical dots beside it and hit Remove. Choose a startup option you trust, like the New Tab page, so you always start off fresh. Then, let's tackle search engines. Under Chrome's settings, find Search Engine, then Manage Search Engines and Site Search. If Web Searches is on the list, click the 3 dots next to it and choose Delete. Make sure a well-known trusted search engine like Google is your default. This keeps search results clean and secure. One tricky place hijackers can hide is in the Chrome shortcut's target address. On Windows, find the Chrome shortcut you regularly use, right-click it, and select Properties. In the Shortcut tab, look for the Target field. If there's any extra text after Chrome.x, delete it, then click Apply and OK. This prevents the hijacker from launching with Chrome. At this point, a malware scan is essential. Chrome includes a built-in cleanup tool for Windows. Type Chrome/settings, go down to Advanced, then Reset and Clean Up and select Clean Up Computer. Click Find and let it do its thing. It might take a few moments, but it's worth it. Sometimes, though, browser hijackers can dig in deep, so I strongly recommend you also download and run a dedicated anti-malware program like Malwarebytes or Adware Cleaner. These tools are great for catching anything Chrome's scanner might have missed. If, after all this, you still can't shake istart.websearches.com, it's time for a full reset of Chrome. Go back to Chrome settings, scroll to Reset Settings, and select Restore Settings to their original defaults. Confirm, and Chrome will return to a clean slate. Your extensions and settings go back to basics, giving persistent hijackers nowhere to hide. Before we wrap up, let's talk about how to prevent this from happening again. Whenever you download free software, opt for the Advanced or Custom installation. This lets you spot bundled adware before it slips onto your computer. Be picky about extensions, check their reviews and permissions, and only install from trusted sources like the official Chrome Web Store. And finally, keep your operating system and security tools updated regularly. New threats crop up all the time, and updates are your first line of defense. If this helped you reclaim your browsers, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into trouble, drop a comment below. I'm always glad to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. And remember, you are in control of your browsing experience. Thanks for watching.